This is everything you could possibly want in a jigsaw, and it's the brand new Festool PSC-E 18. Now the 18 in the name stands for 18 volt, and that means it's compatible with all of Festool's 18 volt batteries. Now if you look closely on this one, you'll see that we've actually got the brand new tabless batteries in there, but we'll do a full explainer on that and we'll put a link to the description below. Now when you're actually having a look at the tool, picking it up, feeling it, you'll notice it's really compact, ergonomic and lightweight. It weighs just over 2 kilograms. So if you're going to be using it for a long period of time or for those more demanding applications, then you're not going to get tired. It's going to be really easy to use. Now, this easy-to-use system is something that Festool are pushing with this. It's got this 90-degree fixed plate on the bottom, and these guide rollers in here are actually compatible with all different size widths of the saw blades. So when it comes to changing the blades and actually getting the result, it's going to be a really quick setup, and the results are going to be consistent every single time. But what are the other extra little benefits you're getting with this saw? Well, first one to start is there's actually a blower on the front here, which will keep the work surface nice and clear of any debris when you're cutting. And when you pair this with the light that switches on every time you operate the tool, you're going to get really good visibility when you're using it. And of course, being a Festool tool, you've got really good dust extraction as well. You can see it on the back here. And this has CleanTech technology. Now, CleanTech technology basically means that this connection on the back is going to be far more secure because it's got a twist and lock mechanism. It's not just going to pop off. Now, of course, Festool have loads of different blade options for loads of different applications. They've got some for wood, metal, plastics, and other building materials as well. So this saw is going to be compatible with any surface that you want to use it in. And when you pair this with the pendulum settings on the front, you've got 4 different settings that you can have there. This means that you are going to be able to get a perfect finish on every type of material. And when it comes to actually picking the pendulum settings, the main thing to know is that the thinner the material, the less pendulum action you're going to need and the lower that setting needs to be. As well as this, we've got 6 different speed modes. We've got 1 to 5 for different speeds, and there's also one called A, and that just stands for the automatic speed on there. Main thing to note is that with that automatic option is it will start nice and slow, and then when it actually detects that you're going into the material, it will speed up. The benefit of this is that you're going to be able to get a nice straight cut every single time because the blade won't be moving as much at the higher speeds. You'll be entering at a slower speed and you'll get a nice consistent finish the whole way down. Now, when it comes to picking the right blade for you, as soon as you open up your sustainer, you'll see this really handy little guide here, so you know that you can go and find exactly the blade that you're going to need for your application. So this really is everything you could possibly need in a jigsaw. It does straight cuts, plunge cuts, scribe cuts, clean cuts in any material that you could possibly want, and all in one compact, lightweight body. This really does do it all. This is the Festool PSC-E 18, and it's available at its.co.uk.